welcome to my front porch. We are going to do a clean and decorate with me for spring. These are my before shots. It isn't pretty. Yep, that's my Christmas welcome mat. And I've got weeds growing over here and broken solar lights. Let's get started pulling some weeds and cleaning up this flower bed. Before we get too far into this video, I do want to mention that it is part of a larger collaboration. If you search YouTube, if you search for the hashtag Spring Porch Cleaning and Decorate, you'll find the full playlist of all of us who are participating. And if I can find a full playlist, if it's linked together, I'll put it in the description box below. Otherwise, I'll put in that hashtag for you so you can search for it easily. I think you'll find a lot of terrific ideas for how you can clean up and decorate your porch or your patio or your balcony for spring.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Most of what I'm using to decorate my porch has come from Hobby Lobby, and I did do a Hobby Lobby haul, and I will link that at the end of this video if you want to stay tuned for that. I was able to find some really nice things and really at prices I was quite surprised by. So stay tuned for that, and you can watch that Hobby Lobby haul.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
My color scheme for the front porch came from this welcome spring sign that I found, and I'm hanging him up on the porch using heavy-duty 3M command hooks. So I pushed these together really tightly, and then I sealed one side to the sign. And if you were watching earlier, I used a stiff brush against the bricks to get everything, all the dirt and dust and debris off there, and I'll stick these to the brick.
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this.
Now I'm going to clean up my mess and do one more sweep, and then I think my front porch spring decor is done. And I lied. I forgot about my little grown-up pinwheel, and I think I'm going to put him right here in the corner, because I think he'll add some height to this side that'll balance a little bit of the welcome sign.
This life, wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living.
And look at these before shots, you guys. It was just so plain and so empty. Sad looking with the leftover Christmas mat, and dusty and dirty and grimy. And what doesn't show up in these photographs are the cobwebs in the corners. The flower beds were just sad, and we had lost a solar light from the snowblower. Now everything's cleaned up and tidy. Cobwebs are gone, weeds pulled, everything is swept and cleaned, and oh my goodness, look how inviting this looks. I love all the colors. I love how welcoming it is. I love that it's just a pretty place to come to the entrance of our door. And I have to say, I love that silly little pinwheel. I think it's awesome. It's probably my favorite thing that I did out here, but I absolutely love how everything came out. I love the way the floral plays with the front door, and I like the milk can. I just enjoy coming home now and walking up to my front porch. I think it's much prettier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon, okay? You guys have a terrific day.